Today's lesson will be about cylinders and cones. The essential question for this section is, what are the formulas for finding the lateral area and volume of both cylinders and cones? If you look at a cylinder and a cone, you'll notice there's a lot of similarity between them and prisms and pyramids. You could think of a cylinder as being a circular prism, and you could think of a cone as being a circular pyramid. As a result, the formulas what you're going to find are very similar to what they were for prisms and pyramids. So let's first consider the lateral area of a cylinder. The lateral area of a cylinder is equal to the circumference of the base times the height. Or abbreviated, this is simply 2 pi r h, where r is the radius and h is the height. Now the volume of a cylinder is simply equal to the area of the base times the height. In formula form, this would simply be pi r squared h, again where r is the radius and h is the height. Now if we move on to talk about a cone, the lateral area of a cone is equal to half the circumference of the base times the slant height. Remember, slant height is the height up the side. It's not the vertical altitude or height, it's the height up the side of the cone. Now in formula form, it would be 1/2 2 pi r times L, where L is the slant height, or simplified, simply pi r L, where r is the radius and L is the slant height. Now the volume of a cone is equal to 1/3 the area of the base times the height. Now here we're talking about the actual vertical height of the cone and not the slant height. And once again, in formula form, this would be volume is equal to 1/3 pi r squared h, where r is the radius and h is the height or altitude of the cone. Now I would like you to answer the following problems and post your answers in the Dropbox.